Good morning, team. Well, I bet you're wondering, where the heck have I been? Well, I'll tell you. You all knew I took a new position in the company, and it did take a lot from me. It took a lot of time from me. It took a lot of time from my family. So I was hurting for time. Well, something happened within the family that I had to take immediate and extended absence from the company. So I've actually been gone for about 2.5 months from the company, taking care of things. But I'm back. I have returned, and I've asked to go back to my old position, and so I have, which is cool because I get to be back in maintenance, turning wrenches, and maybe making a little bit more videos for you guys. All right. So I wanted to talk about this today. If you didn't know, this wave pool has a different color to it. I'll see if I bring in another picture here shortly, but it used to be this bluish color. Now it's white, but it looks good, doesn't it? Now here's why. We ended up painting it this past spring, and if you haven't noticed, it actually looks pretty darn good. Now, for being painted over the product that it was on, we were really afraid that it wasn't going to stay, but man, has it actually done well. Now there's some areas where, you know, right here you can see we still got some chipping around. Now we'll come back, and you can see unfortunately we missed this a little bit for round 2 on the paint, but we can come back and paint it one more time, and it's going to look beautiful. Okay, it's going to be this pearly white all over again. Now it might be hard to tell in the video, it's a little yellow. But what I'm noticing is anywhere it's closer to the water that's sitting here right now, still we're draining now, it's a little yellow. But I think what it is I think it's just reflection from that little bit of green, because this up here looks yellow. It was looking yellow yesterday or the day before, and now it doesn't look yellow. It could also be where we had a ton of rain the past couple days, almost 2 inches, and I'm wondering, see, I kind of see some striping here. I'm wondering if it helped wash whatever that was. Maybe it was calcium buildup or something, but whatever it was, it helped wash it. Now, like I said, we've got some areas that that the paint's coming up on, but no worries. We know we got to scuff those up a little bit more and paint down again. But for the most part, this actually did really, really well. I'm very happy with the product. Yeah, pretty happy with it. So it looks like we're gonna do the river this summer or this fall, and have it ready to go, and we'll do the same thing what we did here. Now I will say, you know, the biggest thing about painting over a product that you just don't know how it's gonna react, prep, right? The biggest thing you gotta understand is you've got to scuff up the old surface enough to have mechanical adhesion. And there it is, there's that product. This is Eco Finish, and we're gonna try and cover over it. Okay, haven't decided what we're gonna do here. This is the beach area that actually doesn't have standing water on it, but we have a lot of chairs and guests that sit here, so we got to figure out what to do there. But nonetheless, we you know, we're gonna keep trying. But again, whenever you're doing something like this, folks, prep. We did a lot of prep to the surface before we decided to paint it. When I mean we scuffed it, we used acid wash, we did a CLR cleaning, we used brake clean in some of the areas to try and help break some of the stuff apart. The biggest thing is just clean the shit out of it. That's really what you gotta do, is clean it, and make sure before you put any paint down, it's clean. Okay, clean and dry, of course, but nonetheless. Anyway, all right, team, let's go take a look at some other stuff. All right, team, let me fix this in my camera real quick. All right, so we're at the new attraction. The attraction did really well this summer. We learned a lot from it, and you know, we're gonna get better, right? So you can see there's a little bit of calcium buildup on these slides. That won't be too hard. This should be relatively simple to get off. So we'll have the polishing team here shortly. We'll get some video of all that to get this all nice and purdy. But like I said, the attraction did really well, very popular, had a lot of kids. This surface is really nice, and it held up really well to the abuse that it had during the summer. even so, in this area, the parents right here, the parents were dragging these metal chairs right here, and you can't really see any visible scuffing. Might be a little bit there. You could almost see a white line right there, kind of be where they were sitting. But honestly, parents did really well with not dragging them too much. But no, it was pretty good. I was pretty happy with the surface. This is called Por Viva, and of course, you know, the colors are just awesome. So, and then what we did was, we had the old splash pad was covered with it as well, and that just made everything really nice. And the attraction looks really nice now. So the island got really popular this summer, which was great, and hopefully it gets better next summer. But yeah, it's very cool. All right, team, well, thanks for hanging out with me. More to come. Be patient though, but more to come. I appreciate everybody that's hanging out with me still. All the emails, phone calls, text messages that I've been getting, LinkedIn messages, appreciate you reaching out to me. You know who you are if you've reached out to me just to check on me. But appreciate all that, and we'll see you soon. Thanks so much. Talk soon. Bye.